Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Catching Up with Cam. Today we are fishing, camping, and shrimping. So if you love that, stay tuned. We are using the Old Salty today. Good rods. I like them because they flex. They make them on all sides just because, you know me, I like my ugly stick because it's small. But this is normally my go-to rod. Let's go. Today we are going to catch a lot of fish. I smell them.
So like always, first stop is to catch bait. Show you guys our chum bucket right here. We use this to get the bait fish attracted. Cam's gonna try to catch bait. It is stacked up right there. But guys, we're doing something special out here this weekend. We're actually camping and fishing for Cam's 13th birthday. Something we do all the time. We come out here and camp. Normally we're camping on an island. This time we actually brought our camper down because it's kind of warm and the bugs would just tear us up. So we're gonna get some bait right now and then we're gonna take you guys fishing. Show them how a cast net works. If you guys don't know how a cast net works, you put this on your arm right here. Cam forgot that minor detail and just chunked the net, as he would say, yeet. Just flew out. All the bait's right there. It's coming right to the boat. You better get ready.
Let's go.
Hopefully Cam loads up right here and we can go make quick work of them.
Well, what'd you get, bud?
Bait. A lot of them.
Oh, look at that. So many.
Buddy, look how much. I think I just broke a world record.
Yeah, 3. For that net.
There's one up here.
Who do you think's gonna catch more bait?
You.
Me or Cam?
You.
Judging by the net size, I'd say you.
You never know, guys.
I don't care about who catches the most, who's got the prettier throw. It's either gonna be a pancake or a banana.
I'm banana.
2, 3.
Oh.
Hey, it's pretty good for a small little net. I haven't thrown a net. Oh!
Got him.
Camden got him and Chad got him.
I think I got one.
They're following Cam's net, which is so funny.
All right.
I got him, son. I got him.
You're gonna grab that.
So my job is to get this bait basket so we can get the bait in the boat.
Dude, I at least got 4.
You got some, bud?
Yeah, my net's all tangled up. It wasn't the best though in the world.
There we go. That'll help us to get us to start. Nice, babe.
I smoked them.
All right, going back to the live well. Let's see what you got. Oh my. Golly. So big. Let's get the orange bucket. Mama caught the first fish. Can we get it, Kim? Gotta hold on to him tight. Look at that. Look at that. Nice.
That should have been my fish. I gave it to you.
Yeah, Chad just lost his bait to it, so I casted next to it. Got me a fish. Let's see how long it's gonna take birthday boy to catch a fish. He already caught a catfish.
I'm already on it.
And a baby snook.
And when Cam's fishing right now, he's not catching any fish, but I'm gonna show you guys just how crazy these fish are. Take some of these baits, get them fired up. Cam should get hit here. The action brings action, so that's what we're going for. Trying to get these fish fired up here.
Is he chasing it?
He just swiped at it. Oh, there he goes.
Pulling him out, pulling him out. Oh.
Look at them all busting on it. H eating your bait.
Nice. He's bigger than the last one.
Look at that.
Golly.
Boom.
Do it, babe. Feed them.
Look at that.
They're hungry today.
Get them fired up now.
Daddy got a snook.
They might not be the biggest snook that we're catching, but they're still fun to catch.
They are fun to catch.
Trout on the boat.
Oh boy. Well, you did say we would slay the fish today, babe.
Just not the right size.
Dang it. So we were just running,
We're on some trout now.
and Chad saw this bait
Oh, the
popping.
dolphin's gonna get it.
Get it, get it, get it, get it. Woo! Get up, get up.
What's your pole?
Let's go! Dude, that look at the size of that dolphin, dude.
The dolphin was gonna eat it. Whoa. We gotta get another bait on if we're into the trout.
Yeah, they're in here.
Let's
Gotta
see.
keep them away from that dolphin.
Yeah, you gotta really
See how
force some
big he is.
things
We'll
in.
get
See how big he is?
set up here.
17 almost? Yeah, perfect.
That kind, you can't ask for a better
Our
size.
trout in season.
We will look for the fish rules app. I'll look right
We
now.
haven't fished inshore in a while. Oh, look at that dolphin.
It's trying to eat our
He
fish.
is one, this trout right here, bad. So if you guys see, they got a yellow mouth. Big ones are called gator trout, and they got 2 fangs right here. Sometimes they just have 1. This guy's got 2. So we're gonna see if he's legal.
Yep. Fish rules app. So we go to the fish rules app.
We are on them good. I just had another hit.
You did? And we're gonna go to saltwater for our area. And now we're gonna go for a trout. 3, 1 bigger than 19, but the minimum size is 15. He's a keeper. Get it in fast.
He's too small.
He's a small one. Daddy's hooked up to some seaweed.
Ah, is that a keeper? Is Fish Rules app say that's a keeper?
Oh,
That was a redfish.
oh, baby.
That's like perfect size for that dolphin.
Yeah, but we're not gonna feed him. Oh, Daddy's on. Whoa, Dad. Look at that thing. He's just so hungry.
2 of them.
Sheesh.
Catching these big old trout. I haven't caught a small one in a while.
All right, that sucker's fat.
I've been checking him up out
Watch your
there.
pole.
Awesome.
Long and skinny.
Yeah.
Look at that belly. That belly ain't skinny. That's been all my chum. Into the live well he goes. Look at all the
They're getting bigger.
fish. They're coming this way.
We saw this little area busting when we were cruising. We're like, oh, gotta stop and see what it is. And yep, he's a keeper.
Yep.
He's going in the live well. We need dinner, birthday dinner.
Oh,
That's
Buddy.
big in there.
woo! Sit him down.
Put him down here.
I thought I had seagrass when I hooked him.
What did you just get?
He can honestly the world's biggest trout. This is my big old trout. I've never caught a trout that looks so beautiful. Look at that tail.
So pretty.
Somebody else.
Dad's hooked up? Okay,
I
Cam.
got a monster too.
Oh yeah? I'm sure it's a
Called
little.
a trout ski, because you just ski him right across the water.
What did Chad get?
Quite a keeper. They're out there though.
Yeah? Look at that.
So you hear him grunting in there? They're actually in the drum family. It's pretty neat. You never think that these guys are related to a redfish or black drum. Same family.
Yeah? Here comes Daddy's. Whoa, he is decent.
Not as big as mine, I don't think.
Let's see.
No, he's
Get him in the boat.
out, I don't think.
Keeper.
And yet another one.
Number 3 for me, so I'm done.
That's right, 3 per man or woman. Now it's my turn to have fun. Look at that! Woo!
That's a keeper.
Dinner. Thanks for sharing a fish with me. So I got me a trout. Oh, I'm under. Already.
Oh, see?
Get the net, he's big.
Oh gosh.
Uh-oh.
Where's the net? Trying to film and that's a big one. Good, that's bigger than the last one.
But I am catching him, that's good. He's going back.
This thing's the size of a red.
Mama's all about catch and release. Camden's, he don't play around.
Camden is catch and eat.
Good day of fishing.
Let's check it out. Look at there.
That's dinner. That's dinner. That's dinner. They're all dinner.
Not exactly what we were after today, but hey, gotta be happy with it. We caught some fish.
Had a good time.
I mean, it's as soon as it hits the water.
Let's see how long it takes Camden to hook up on another trout. Oh, he's on.
It's better than trout.
Birthday boy's on.
Another trout. God, that's a bigger one. This one might be.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, this one might be a keeper.
Uh-oh. Get him in. He's gonna boat flip him, babe.
He's a gator.
Wow, that's a good one.
17 and a half.
Oh, God. Oh, this is a good one. Oh my gosh, they're kicking that.
What is it?
Please be smart.
No, a little short.
Oh, what is it, a snook?
Snook.
Oh,
Snook. Alright, let's get a release. There you go. That's a good one. Again.
well, good morning from Eldred's Marina. Check out this cute little pelican that hung out all night. It's a beautiful morning with a beautiful view. Having some coffee to get our day going because we stayed up late catching a bunch of trout. That was a lot of fun.
Alright guys, we are heading out. It's day 2. We are docklight fishing with my cousins right here tonight. Last night we wrecked the trout at the docklights. Tonight, I hope we do too. But I also hope we get the snow. See you out there.
So Weston got the first fish of tonight. Let's look at this thing. Oh, well, there he goes. Well, oh, Camden's hooked up. Let's see what he's gonna be in. Weston's gonna get some more bait. What is it? That is a nice trout. Donovan's on too. We have a triple hookup.
Both flip. Not triple.
Nice, Donovan. Nice work. Now let her go into the water.
Here we go now.
Wow, look at this.
It's a big snow. Gotta release him fast before it's hurt by this big old dock next to her.
Yep. He gone. Cam's hooked up again.
Don't say it's the same one.
Oh, that's a good one.
Not quite as big.
Donovan went in on the action.
Just cast as close as you can to that dock.
And we got another snook or trout. What is this? Oh boy.
2 for 2. Like 2 minutes.
Finally, Weston hooks up. Woo, baby.
Have me one.
That's a big old trout.
Weston and his first snook under a dock light. Beautiful fish. What do you think, Weston?
That is a good one.